Hi guys, I'm back with another video because of course we're on YouTube. I'm Jess, and if you're new, hi, I'm Jess. Welcome. I do videos like this featuring Australian beauty, affordable beauty, as well as vlogs, Kmart hauls, that kind of thing. I also do makeup that is relatively basic because I am basic, so if you're like me who is a realistic person who likes real reviews, then you'll love this channel because I don't fuck around, I don't mess around, I say it as it is. If I like a product, that's what we do around here. But yeah, that's what we're doing. My video today is actually exciting. I'm doing a collab again with my friend glambysam. I'll link her channel down below. And we've done a collab before on W7. I'll link that video down below if you've missed that. But today's video is actually on designer brands. But mine's a little bit different only because I've only got like a couple little things. Her haul will be a little bit more exciting, but watch her video after mine, of course. And hello from her channel viewers. Hello, hi. But yes, I picked up actually 3 things, but I'm only showing you 2 things, and then I'm going to like demonstrate how I'll use them. I believe that's how Sam is going to do that as well, so that is awesome. The reason I'm doing that is because I picked up the Christmas palette by TBN, or Color by TBN. It's a limited edition color palette, really cute. I got the Gypsy Love one because purely I mean, I don't need another warm tone palette. I've got hundreds of warm tone palettes, but this one does it not scream lime crime? Like, just the aesthetic of it, like, hello lime crime, is that you? I mean, seriously, so cute. But yeah, it comes with a little mirror, comes with 8 shades, $10. I got mine at my chemist, drugstore discount chemist, I believe. I believe you can also pick them up at certain Amcal chemists, Terry White chemists, and online as well. Color by TBN is also cruelty free as well as vegan, which is awesome. So we're going to test that out on my eyeballs today, which is why I've done my base, my slug of an eyebrow, and the designer brands thing that I'm showing you today, which has got finger marks all over it already, because I love highlighters. But anyway, I didn't want to show the other one because I thought every kind of YouTuber is going to be showing that because it literally looks like a Too Faced product. But anyway, I've got the light up illuminating palette. Like, I'm trying to blind you there. This one is $15. Packaging is like that chrome kind of gold, super duper pretty. There we are, finally opened it. Comes with a nice mirror, 4 beautiful shades. I really didn't need this in my collection because I've got like a shit ton of highlighters and bronzers and things like that from designer brands, but I had to pick up a couple of things from the Christmas range, and I wasn't actually overly uber excited about their Christmas range this year, but I picked up a couple, and I still might, because like every time I'm in the store I'm like, oh, makeup, but I digress. So yeah, that was my little haul. So yeah, we're gonna play with some makeup. So I thought I wanted to actually share this because I don't think anyone really knows that TBN does palettes. They do nail polishes, lipsticks, eye pencils, and they're super duper cheap, and I've got like a cool toned one as well. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's dive right on in, shall we? That was a really fucking long intro. That was like a 4-minute and something long intro, so I'm going to have to edit that a little bit. So also, I did my nails. I never do my nails. But yeah, I've had a little bit too much coffee today, which is why I'm swearing a little bit. So sorry. Hashtag sorry, not sorry, because I swear anyway. I love how the shades are actually named. We're actually going to see if Color by TBN does like a good formula. And if you didn't know, the parent company of Color by TBN is owned or similar, like the same company as Mo Cosmetics, Designer Brands by DB, as well as Australis. They're all in the same family network. So that's something there for you to know. As well as, I think, Natio, what's the other one? I can't think. So yeah, but they're like that same network that works all with that drugstore type brand in Australia. So I'm going to flower crown. How cute is that name? Really pretty peachy shade. Just on a fluffy brush that's clean but stained. Okay, so there's a lot of kickback, but whatever. I don't know what that dot is doing on my forehead. I don't know where that came from. So, quite powdery. Ooh, the pigmented. Ooh. Oh, you can see, look. Oh my god. Look at that. Blending out beautifully. That's a beautiful matte. Like, that's so pigmented. Not patchy, it's beautiful. That is a beautiful matte. For $10, I'm already like stinking impressed. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. It's so pretty. No patchiness at all. Wow. Moving on. I'm gonna take, I don't know what to take next. I'm gonna take Soft Earth next. I love the names in this palette. So cute. So, not so much powder or kickback in that one. These mattes are so nice. So I haven't zoomed you in. Is that better? A bit better. Creating some depth. Having hooded eyes is a pain. That brown, really nice. I'm impressed. Loving these mattes. They're actually really beautiful. I'm going to take Barefoot, like this really pretty nutmeg color, and just to like deepen the outer corner slightly. I'll do this brush. That one has like no kickback. Oh, she's pigmented. I'm really enjoying these shadows. The formula is like really soft, but they don't blend away to nothing. How pretty is that? I like. Beautiful, beautiful matte. So I'm really impressed with this palette so far. For the shimmer, there's only 2 shimmers in the palette and the rest are mattes, which I'm actually impressed with for a drugstore palette. I'm going to take Sunstone, I think, because it looks beautiful. And I normally put shimmers on with my finger, but I'm going to take the Essence Glitter Adhesive just to like give it something to stick to. Wait till that goes a little bit tackier. That's beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. That's stunning. Now just to blend her out a little bit. So there's no actual light enough colour for the inner corner. Kind of annoying. But we have this. Now I'm just going to do mascara quickly off camera. Absolutely loving that palette. So now for highlighter. Just apply it a little bit of lippy because you can't do highlighter without a bit of lippy. I mean, look at the shades. Trying to decide what one that'll go well with the look. I think I'm going to do that pretty colour. Kind of a champagne-y gold. That looks so pretty. Not chunky. Very smooth. Love me a good highlighter. That's really pretty. And doesn't emphasize pores either. So this is the finished look. Do you guys need this palette for the holidays? I think yes. If you're a fan of warm tone colors, are on a budget, yes, yes, yes. Super impressed with the mattes. I love the fact that there's more mattes than shimmers, which is rare, especially for drugstore. As I said, especially on the back too, it's certified vegan and cruelty free, which I think is amazing. Only $10. Really, really cute packaging. Love it. Go get yourself the Gypsy Love palette by Color by TVN. Absolutely in love with this palette. I mean, beautiful. And the Designer Brands Light Up palette. I mean, I didn't have to have this, but I wanted it in my collection because I can't say no to limited edition makeup. Limited edition always gets me sucked in, even if it's on the food. I think I've said it before. It gets me sucked in. I'm just one of those people. And yeah, that's essentially it, guys. So thank you to Sam for doing this collab. Go and watch her video, and hi again to all the viewers from her channel. Hi. And let me know if you're going to be buying any holiday makeup or anything from Designer Brands or anything in Australia from drugstore that's holiday related. Let me know if you want anything reviewed, and I'll see you guys in another video soon. Bye.